When we added a natural gas water heater to our laundry room, we had, by law, get a carbon monoxide detector. Looking around, I came across this first alert carbon monoxide alarm. Nice thing about it is it runs on batteries. Don't have to hardwire it in. It's a one-button operation with an easy access to the battery door. You can test the alarm, you can silence the alarm, and it gives you an end-of-life warning. Contents of the package include the alarm, a 9-volt battery, instructions, and a sticker to write down when you've replaced the battery, and 2 screws and 2 mollies so you can mount it. The alarm itself has only one button, and that's the same button to test and to silence the alarm. On the back side is the battery compartment, which holds one 9-volt battery. And then you have 2 mounting slots for the screw. The unit is about palm-sized, making it nice and small and unobtrusive. First thing we need to do is put in the new battery. And that's just a matter of lining up the contacts, putting in the battery, and pressing it up against the contacts. After which, you're able to close the compartment door. And now if you push the test button, the alarm will sound. And now you know that the alarm is working. Included with the instruction sheet is a mounting guide template. And you use this to mark where you're going to drill in the wall so that the screws mate with the back of the unit. Speaking of which, you're going to need some tools, an electric drill, a screwdriver, a hammer, a drill bit of course, and a pencil so you can mark exactly where you're going to drill. Once you've assembled all your tools, you would think that you could install the carbon monoxide detector next to the smoke alarm in the laundry room. You'd be wrong. By code, carbon monoxide detector cannot be placed there, nor in the kitchen, nor can it be placed in a room that has a fireplace. According to the instructions and a national code, the best place to put it is in a hallway leading to the bedrooms. Yes, it's far away from the carbon monoxide source, but should the carbon monoxide get that far, you want to know about it. Using the template guide, we mark 2 spots with pencils where we're going to drill, and using the described bit size, we drill 2 holes into the wall. We then insert a molly into each of the holes. It's important that you get the mollies as flush as possible against the wall so that you get a nice tight fit when you put in the screw. In some cases, you may have to use the hammer to tap them in flush. With the mollies in place, we're ready to drive our screw in. We're not going to drive the screw all the way down because the carbon monoxide detector actually clips into that position. So it needs a little bit of a gap in between the screw head and the wall. We take the unit, align it with the screw heads, and it should slide into position, and you should hear a little bit click, and it should be sturdy. Once in position, you're all set. You have a fully functional carbon monoxide detector that will protect you for at least a year, because you should change the batteries every year. And being that it's next to the smoke alarm, you can also change that battery every year. If you found this video useful, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you very much for watching.